Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn class 9th mathematics chapter relations and functions or sets and relations, and this is our part 1, first introductory part. So the contents of this chapter are: first, prerequisites, what are sets, types of sets, then ordered pairs, important properties of ordered pairs, then Cartesian product, cardinal of a set, cardinal of a Cartesian product, describing a Cartesian product, important results based on Cartesian product, relation, problems based on number of relations between two sets, describing a relation, domain and range of a relation, inverse relation, types of relations between two sets, types of relations on a set, function a spatial relation, domain, codomain and range of a function, significance of the ordered pair in a function, different methods of writing the function, number of mappings between two sets, value of a function, zero of a function. So let us see the history. Set theory is the certain creation of one person, George Cantor. Due to his work, however, the set theory came to be put on a proper mathematical basis. Cantor published a 6-part treatise on set theory from the year 1879 to 1884. The history of set theory is rather different from the history of most other areas of mathematics. Then our topic is prerequisites. Prerequisites. First, set. What is set? Before attempting to define the term set, let us list out some household articles like sofa, TV, ceiling fan, small table, fridge, table fan, cooker, tumbler, dining table, chairs, cot, iron box, dressing table, water filter, etc. Electrical items will be ceiling fan, fridge, table fan, iron box, and kitchenware would be tumbler, water, and filter. We can readily classify them into three distinct groups. We can say that each of these groups is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects, or in short, a set. Now, the definition of set. A set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. The word distinct means that the object must be different from one another. That is, the object should not be repeated. I'll repeat. A set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. The word distinct means that the objects must be different from one another. That is, the objects should not be repeated. The objects of a set are called elements. Then types of sets. Types of sets. Finite set. A set containing definite number of elements is known as finite set. Second, infinite sets. A set containing uncountable number of elements are known as infinite sets. Equal sets. Two sets are said to be equal if both the sets contain the same elements. Equivalent sets. Two finite sets A and B are said to be equivalent if they have the same number of elements. Empty set. A set containing no elements is called a null set or an empty set. Non-empty set. This set containing at least one element is called a non-empty set. The universal set. Any set which is superset of all the sets under consideration is called the universal set. Subset and superset. Set A is called the subset of B if every element of A is present in the set B. Set B is called the superset of A if every element of set A is present in the set B. Proper subset. Set A is called proper subset of B if every element of A is present in the set B and set B has at least one more element than set A. Power set. Let P containing all the subsets of the given set A is called power set of A or disjoint set. Disjoint set. If the intersection of two sets A and B is the empty set, then A and B are called the disjoint sets. So let us recall the sets we have learned till now. First was finite set, second infinite, third equal sets, fourth equivalent sets, fourth empty set, fifth non-empty set, sixth universal set, seventh subset and superset. Subset and superset. Then proper subset and power set. Proper subset or power set, or we can say disjoint set. Then our next topic is ordered pairs. Then a questions based on ordered pairs. Then Cartesian product, cardinal of a set, cardinal of a Cartesian product. Important points on Cartesian product. Then problems based on a cardinal of a Cartesian product. But this we will learn in part 2. As this was introductory part, we've learned the introduction of sets. So let us meet in part 2 with the topics which I announced now. I hope you've understood till this. Like, this is the foundation of class 9th. We've covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood till this. Thank you for watching. Let us meet in part 2.